Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice for deep rest and nervous system reset. A deeply nourishing practice designed to bring a sense of deep calm and relaxation. So just settle yourself in a comfortable lying or seated position. Just allow your body to be fully supported by the surface beneath you. Let your hands rest easily. Let your shoulders soften. Let the jaw unclench. And gently begin to close or lower the eyes. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. This is a time for rest, restoration, and gentle inner connection. So begin by bringing awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath. No need to change it, simply noticing the soft rise of the inhale and the gentle fall of the exhale. With every out-breath, allow the nervous system to receive the message. It is safe to soften. It is safe to rest. Now bring your awareness to the points of contact between your body and the earth. Notice where you are supported, the weight of your body being held, cradled, grounded. Imagine the earth beneath you as steady, warm, and deeply supportive, as though it's gently absorbing tension from your body. We now begin a slow rotation of awareness through the body. Bring awareness to the crown of the head, forehead, eyes, jaw, throat. Allow these areas to soften. Shoulders, upper arms, elbows, forearms, hands, and fingers. Let the arms feel heavy, warm, at ease. Bring awareness to the chest, the gentle movement of the heart and breath, upper back, middle back, lower back. Soften the belly, soften the solar plexus. Allow the organs to rest. Awareness into the pelvis, hips, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet, and toes. The whole body resting, the whole body breathing. Now imagine that with each inhale, a soft golden light enters the body, and with each exhale, the body releases any stored tension, stress, or emotional residue. Inhale, nourishment. Exhale, release. This golden light flows through the nervous system, soothing, regulating, restoring harmony. Bring the awareness to the center of the chest, the heart space. Imagine this area gently expanding, softening, becoming warm and open. And you might like to silently repeat within, I am safe to rest. I am safe to soften. I am supported in this moment. Allow these words to ripple gently through the body. Now allow yourself to rest in natural awareness, not focusing on anything in particular, simply being, breathing, receiving, resting in natural awareness, awake and aware, deeply relaxed. Anytime the mind begins to wander, simply gently bringing it back into this moment, resting in this awareness. And beginning to get ready to return. Gently deepen the breath, taking slightly deeper breaths here. Invite small movements into the fingers and the toes. Perhaps a gentle stretch. And when it feels right, slowly open the eyes. Take a moment before moving back into your day or evening. Just noticing the quality of your inner space. The steadiness, the softness, the quiet strength within. This practice is now complete. Thank you for joining me for this Yoga Nidra practice. My name is Corinne. I'm a holistic therapist, yoga and meditation teacher, and I offer a range of different holistic therapies, and I often include meditations and Yoga Nidra in my one-to-one client sessions. To contact me directly, see the information in the description box below this video. And if you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. It helps me to keep sharing. Thank you. Namaste.